हेलो बच्चों, आज हम करेंगे छोटी ABCD A to Z। A for apple, A for apple. B for ball, B for ball. C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. G for grapes, G for grapes. H for hen, H for hen. I for ink, I for ink. J for jug, J for jug. K for kite, kite. L for lion, L for lion. M for monkey, monkey. N for next. O for orange, P for parrot. Q for queen, R for rose. S for sheep, T for tiger. U for umbrella, V for van. W